everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Now normally when we go to Dhabas, they serve this lovely salads before we actually go to the main course, and these salads are so tasty, and I've always wondered how do they make these salads so tasty just with onions. So today I'm going to share two delicious Dhaba style onion salad recipes. So one is the Lachcha onion salad and the other one is the onion papad salad. So let's get started and check out both these delicious recipes. So for the Dhaba style Lachcha onion salad, I've taken 4 medium sized onions. Just slice them nice and thin. So I'm just going to separate the onion rings, you can see. So if you want, you can also cut them as slices. The rings will be nice for the salad. So once you've separated the onion rings, just put it in a bowl. Squeeze the juice of half lemon. So I've just de-seeded it, I've removed the seeds. So if you get one or two, just remove it. I'm not adding the juice of one whole lemon, it can become very sour. So just use half. Next I'm going to add the chopped green chilies. So one green chili I'm going to cut it with the seed, and the other two I will de-seed it and I will be adding it. If you don't want it to be too spicy, you can remove all the seeds. To this I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri Red Chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt. So since we're going to add Chaat Masala, I wouldn't recommend adding too much of salt. A pinch of pepper, it's less than 1/4 teaspoon. Next add 1 teaspoon of Chaat Masala powder. So mix everything together. So it's easier to mix it with your hands because the masala will coat the onion rings better. Add a pinch of cumin powder and finally add some chopped coriander leaves. Give it a quick mix. So once you've mixed everything, you can display it and serve it with some nice roti or some nice starters like tikkas by the side. For the onion papad salad, I'm going to take 3 medium sized onions and chop them nice and fine. Transfer the chopped onions to a bowl. Next, take 2 tomatoes, de-seed them and chop it nice and fine. Now I'm going to add the green chilies. I've de-seeded 2 green chilies and I've added 1 with the seed to give it a little spice. Next add the juice of half lemon. Now I'm going to season it, first starting with 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon chili powder. You can adjust the chili powder according to your taste. 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. Now you can also use white pepper if you have that. 1/4 teaspoon cumin powder and 1 teaspoon chaat masala. Mix everything together. Once you've mixed that, finally add some chopped coriander leaves and give it a quick mix. So now the topping for the papad is ready and I'm going to fry the papad. So heat the tawa. You can fry the papad on fire directly or on the tawa like this. After making the papad, place the prepared onion salad on the papad. Finally, garnish it with some chopped coriander leaves and some chaat masala powder and serve it immediately. Wow, so today we've seen 2 amazing Dhaba style onion salad. Now you can make whichever you want, or you can make both of them, and you can enjoy it with some nice roti or tikkas by the side. So do try these recipes, enjoy and share it with your family and friends.